In the shadowed shallows beneath America's lakes, a silent takeover is underway. Scientists call them invasive invaders, creatures like zebra mussels, pythons, lionfish, multiplying in places they were never meant to be. Want to uncover their secrets? Hit subscribe now because this hidden invasion has already begun. Some arrived through cargo ships hidden in ballast water. Others were pets once, released when they became too wild to keep. One by one, they enter foreign ecosystems with no natural enemies to stop them. A python in Florida Everglades, a lionfish in the warm reefs of the Atlantic, a mussel too small to notice until it coated everything in its path. This is how the invasion began, not with a roar but a ripple. In the Everglades, Burmese pythons have decimated 90% of small mammal populations. Raccoons, opossum vanished. Zebra mussels now coat the Great Lakes, clogging pipes, starving native fish, and costing billions in damage. Lionfish, one can consume over 70% of juvenile reef life in just weeks, turning vibrant reefs into empty rock. These aren't just exotic animals, they are biological wrecking balls. Each one breaks the balance of ecosystems that took thousands of years to form. What happens when the invaders win? When forests fall quiet, rivers lose their fish, and reefs collapse into silence. It's not just wildlife that suffers, it's water quality, crop health, even climate patterns. Invasions is no longer a metaphor. It's a biological reality, spreading silently through America's veins. And the scariest part, some species are still being discovered. Too late, already spread. The invasion is already here. We just didn't see it coming. But nature has no borders and no second chances. If this stirred something inside you, even a whisper, share this story, like, subscribe, and join the voices that speak for the wild. Because when balance breaks, nature doesn't whisper, it disappears.